Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. If you've taken your 1022 apart and parts have fallen out as soon as you've taken the trigger group apart, most likely what has come out is your magazine latch assembly. And what that consists of is the magazine latch itself, a cross pin, the magazine latch plunger, and the spring. And the stock holds all of these in place, and once you remove this from the stock, the pin is pretty loose fitting by design, and it can just fall out. And if you don't see where it came from or how it came out, it can be a little disconcerting getting that all back together. So just going to simply show you how to put that back together. All you need is a good pair of safety glasses, and just a small punch will work. And going to take the plunger and the spring. Spring's non-directional, doesn't matter which end goes on first, and that's going to go in the front of the trigger group, and you'll start to install this in the trigger group. It's only going to go in so far, and if you just take the small punch and just push that plunger a little bit to the side, you'll feel it depress the rest of the way. Then I can take the magazine latch itself, and the end of this has a long shaft that's going to go to the rear and fit behind the plunger. So I'm just going to take this long shaft part here and come in behind, and I can release the spring tension and it's going to hold it in place. At that point, I can take my cross pin from the left-hand side, holding this in the shooting position. I'm going to start that in that cross pin hole. A lot of times we first install that, it's going to run into your bolt lock assembly. If I just push that forward a little bit, I wiggle that, I'll feel it drop a little bit, it'll go in, and then it's just a matter of moving your mag latch itself to get the hole lined up. And once you move that around, get it to the right position, this will push all the way through. There, once you get that, just get it flush. You can put tape on either side just to hold it in place when you take the stock off so it doesn't come out again, or as soon as you take the stock out, put a little piece of tape on each side so it stays in place. But very, very simple to put back together. Thanks for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.